Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to a brand new episode of Cup TV brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. In this episode we're going to look at a gorgeous kit by Marijke Kok and it's cup number cup 1131386_936 and it's called A Merry Little Christmas Mini Kit. You get 4 sheets and it fits an 8x8 inch square card. You get the card front, decoupage, sentiments, insert and an extra insert panel. And I'd like to show you what you get in the kit and then we'll go ahead and make the card. I've got to say, as designs go, this is a cute little mouse. It really is. So for anyone looking for cute for Christmas, this is it. This is your cute Christmas card. This is the card front and we've got the extra sentiments as well to cut out. Our next sheet is the decoupage. You can use some of it, all of it, just one layer. It's entirely up to you. It's your creativity that's making the card. Our next sheet is the insert panel that has Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas. And then the third is the blank insert panel. So maybe you've got a rubber stamp or a die that you would like to use. You could use this for the insert. So I'm going to start off with a glitzy gold shimmer blank 8x8 inch square card. Don't worry if you don't have that. You could just use a white blank square card. I just thought, you know what, this is going to look so pretty on something different. So I'm going to use this shimmer cardstock. I've had these cards for a very long time, so please don't nobody write in to ask me where they're from. They were just at the bottom of the drawer and I thought that's perfect. I'm going to start with the back of the card and I'm going to use the blank insert on the back, because I just like using as much of the kit as I can. So I'm going to add the blank insert so that will tie the whole card together. I've got double-sided tape on the back. You can use whatever glue that you like, whether it's a tape runner, whether it's wet glue. I prefer double-sided tape because it's quick, it's easy and it's not messy. So I'm adding the blank insert just to the back of the card in the centre, pressing it down when it's in position. I've also taken the sentiment that says Christmas wishes. I've cut it out, I've just got tape on the back and I'm just going to add that just towards the bottom of the back of the card and press it down. You could add Handmade by Anne-Marie or add your own name, and you know, you could add an extra message if you don't have room on the inside, so it's completely up to you. So now I'm going to turn the card back over and go to the inside of the card and I'm going to take the insert that says Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas. I've got double-sided tape on the back so I can just peel the back of the tape away and then pop the insert into the card like so, and when it's in position just press it down. There we go. And how beautiful is that? You see how it works with the colour of the cardstock? So it would have worked with white, but I just thought the gold gave it a little bit of va-va-voom. So now we can go to the front of the card. I've got the card front, again on double-sided tape that I can peel the back away. And pop this just in the middle of the card, like that. And when I'm happy it's in position, press it down. There we go. Then I can start building the decoupage. So my first layer is the largest layer of the little mouse with the Christmas tree. I've got 3D foam on the back If you are a new crafter or you're not a fussy cutter crafter that likes to cut a lot of fiddly bits, cut around the tail and leave just a little bit of white and the outline. It really doesn't matter. Nobody will ever say to you your card is not beautiful, because your card will be beautiful to them because you've taken the time and trouble to make it. So don't get too hung up on the thought of you're not cutting right, or you've cut a bit too much off, or you've not cut enough off, because nobody will ever know. 3D foam on the back of this layer, and we simply marry up our layer, and it's design to design, and then press it down when it's in position, and then we take our next layer, which is the little mouse on her own. I think it's a girl because she's got beautiful eyelashes. I may be wrong, but 3D foam on the back. So we just add little mouse over the previous layer of little mouse and press down when we're happy. Next, we've got the poinsettias in the corner. I've got 3D foam on the back. We just marry up the design, press them down. I've got 2 layers for each of the poinsettias. 3D foam again, and just pop them on top of one another. And then I've got the poinsettias for the other corner. Again, 3D foam. So it's just the same principle, marrying up the design and popping each layer over the top. There we go, press down. So then I've got one of the parcels. I've got 3D foam on the back, and this parcel is just going to go over this parcel that's on the back layer. So it's just going to sit there. There we go, press down. I've also got a sentiment, Happy Christmas, and I'm thinking this is going to go maybe about here. Press down, and that is our gorgeous card finished. So we've got the back of the card, ties in perfectly with the insert, and the front of the card. We've got those gorgeous layers that we can see. The poinsettias and the little mouse. Beautiful design. Now you can see any of Marijke's work by going to Craftsuprint and searching for Marijke Kok. And I'd like to remind you of the cup number. It's cup 1131386 _936. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope it's given you a little bit of festive creativity. So thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time.